Oh, leave it open. Yeah. So what are you looking at?
Just looking at like the fluids and stuff. Yeah.
How's it?
See the positive turn real quick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Easy tires.
Huh?
Easy tires.
Yeah, I gotta replace my tires.
Did you just decide that now?
Yeah.
There's that front one right there.
Cause like there's a crack here, like here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right on. Uh-huh.
Yeah. So I'm gonna go to the shop.
Anything else?
I think you gotta like unrust this Steve.
No, there's like
Yo, just blame that on Pranav.
I
I don't want to.
I go to the shop.
Right on.